Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how I cut my own side sweat bangs at home. So without further ado, let's begin. To do this, you'll need a rat tail comb, a hair tie, hair cutting shears, and hair texturizing shears. And you can find these items at your local beauty supply store. Start with dry hair because if you cut your hair while it's wet, after it dries, it's going to shrink about 2 inches shorter in length, so keep that in mind. Use a comb and bring your bangs forward over your face. If you don't have bangs to start with, just comb most of your hair to the front of your face. To find out where your natural bangs should start, place your hand over your head, then grab a rat tail comb and just put it right in front of your hand and align it with your nose because this is the center of your face. Turn side to side, and if the point where you placed your finger doesn't move any hair when you move, that is where the point of your triangle should start. Separate your hair by pointing the rat tail comb to the top and pulling it down towards your ear. To determine how wide your bangs should be, it should start at the arch of your eyebrows. So here I'm just going to separate my bangs where the arch of my eyebrows are, and I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. At this point, you should have a triangle just like this. So it should start at the top of your head and it should end at the arch of your eyebrows. Pull back the rest of your hair and tie it in place with a hair tie. This will prevent you from accidentally cutting it if it falls out of place. Now, if you don't have bangs to start, you want to experiment by pulling your hair back and forth to see which way it falls better. And for me, it falls better on my left side. The trick to cutting side bangs is you want to bring your bangs to the opposite side where you want them to fall. So for me, I'm bringing it to my right. Comb it flat and place it in between your forefingers and your middle finger and gently slide it down all the way towards your ear and create an angle like so. Next, you want to bring this hair to the front of your face without moving your fingers and cut a straight line, and what this will do is it will create an angle. Never cut your bangs straight across with your scissors because it never ends well, trust me. Instead, what you want to do is you want to point cut. So place the tip of your scissors perpendicular to your fingers and make tiny little snippets. Now when you hold your scissors vertically like this and cut into your hair, be careful not to cut yourself because it is harder to see. After you comb your bangs, the ends should be at an angle like this, and this will help my bangs fall nicely towards my left side. If your bangs aren't heavy, let's say you have thinner hair, you can omit this part, but since my bangs are bottom heavy, I'm just going to get rid of some of the weight at the bottom so that it will sweep nicely or more naturally towards the left. So with my texturizing shears, I'm going to just cut at an angle like so, and I'm going to start at the tip and work my way up to the top, and I go usually about 1 inch high. And what this will do is it's going to get rid of some of the hair without taking out the length. When you're cutting your bangs, just remember to cut bit by bit and then comb it out and check it to see if it's to your liking because you don't want to go overboard and cut off too much hair. And notice that I'm still cutting at an angle here and I'm going snip by snip very slowly because when it comes to cutting bangs, less is more. So here's how long my final bangs are. I usually have it right above my lips and the shortest part starts around my nose. So that's how you can tell. You can use that as a guide. I used to go even shorter, but now I actually prefer it at this length. So it's completely up to you how short or long you want it. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you'll be using this in the future, don't forget to save it and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be up to date with new tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Ciao!